Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the tablet so results are meaningful. Charge to roughly 50–80% and close background apps. This stabilizes current draw. Once done, enable battery diagnostics or developer battery stats in settings so system-level data is available. Make sure you note the starting percentage and time. That lets you measure drain over a fixed interval. Finally, disable wireless features. You won't test to isolate baseline consumption before moving to active measurements. Now run a controlled test. Play a video or run a benchmark for 30 to 60 minutes with screen brightness set to a specific level. While it runs, monitor settings right arrow battery or a diagnostics app to view instantaneous draw, battery temperature, and discharge percentage. This shows how fast capacity is being used. Also check cycle count and design capacity versus current capacity where available, because that comparison reveals long-term wear. If you see spikes, note which apps correlate with them. To finish, calculate health by comparing measured capacity or discharge trends against the original design capacity percentage. That tells you if the battery is degraded. Once done, run a full charge/discharge calibration if numbers look off, because recalibration can fix reporting errors. If you still see rapid drain or overheating, boot into safe mode to rule out apps and consider a factory reset as a last resort. If problems persist after that, a battery replacement is the reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.